Hey, good morning everyone. Today we're going to do a phone mount install from Bulletpoint on the new 2024 Toyota Tundra. So let's get started. The new Bulletproof kit I ordered comes with the base plate, the phone holder, the phone mount itself, which is the charging cradle, and the bar. So it comes as all one kit to be able to hold everything we need. The instructions are pretty simple. The other cool thing is the kit comes with all the tools you need to complete the job. The bracket, or the tool to pop the tray out, the screwdriver to screw everything together, the drill bit to make the drill holes, the wrench to wrench everything down with, and all these screws to be able to do it. Alright, inside the vehicle, the rubber tray is real easy. You just remove it, it simply just pops out. Then you just take this little tool here, stick it under there, and then you can pop the tray completely out itself. You have to disconnect the power charger. So once you get all the components out of the box, you can start the assembly process. Once you have the tray on the top panel undone, put that aside, take the base plate, put it in your tray that came out of your truck, and mark your screw holes. Once your screw holes are made in the tray, install the base plate using the screws provided. Once you complete this stage of the assembly, you'll see the plate is installed in the tray and the bolts are hanging out the back side, which do not impede with anything else. Once the tray is installed, then we install the upper part of the tray, and then we position our balls where we want to. Only one ball comes in the kit, so I will be ordering additional balls. I'm going to put one here on this side, which you'll notice the cutout here allows for the charger to then connect to any device you have up here. I'm going to get a 3 USB chargers so I can charge my GoPro and 2 phones at the same time. To highlight why I like this tray system over other tray systems holding phones that I've used is this tray system top plate can be removed and add additional connection points to it, whereas other ones you have to remove the entire base plate assembly to add anything or adjust anything. That normally requires you to remove maybe the radio or other apparatuses to get to the bottom of the screws. This one has an easy, convenient plate that just adjusts from the top when you remove it. Once your tray and base plate is reassembled, time to reinstall it into the truck. A little tip, go ahead and pre-run your wires through the holes in your base plate there. So for reinstallation, connect the power auxiliary port power connector. Slide the tray in this angle so it all fits with the cabling. And once your points are in place, press down and we're done. Now all we have to do is add our mounts and we're in business. The end result is you have a phone cradle that's convenient to you. Once you install the phone, it closes around the phone automatically and starts charging automatically, so it's a great benefit. For more installation videos, follow Overland Trails Adventures. We'll see you on the next one.